Let's learn some rain related word and their meaning. First है incessant rain, लगातार बारिश. Flash flood, अचानक आई बाढ़. Flood बाढ़. Heavy rain, भारी बारिश. Heavy downpour या torrential rain means मूसलाधार बारिश. Intense rain, लगातार बारिश. Waterlogging, जल भराव. Landslide, भूस्खलन. Bountiful rain, भारी बारिश. If you like my video, then don't forget like, subscribe and comment.